Signs of a healthy heart. A healthy heart is marked by a resting heart rate between 60 and 100 beats per minute, showcasing efficient cardiovascular function. Optimal blood pressure, around 120/80 mmHg, ensures the heart and arteries are not overly strained. Healthy cholesterol levels below 200 mg per deciliter, with LDL cholesterol under 100 mg per deciliter and HDL cholesterol over 60 mg per deciliter, promote heart health. Maintaining fasting blood glucose levels between 70 and 99 mg per deciliter supports proper glucose metabolism and cardiovascular well-being. Efficient exercise tolerance, allowing physical activities without excessive fatigue, reflects a strong and resilient cardiovascular system. Here are the signs of healthy heart. 1. Normal heart rate. A resting heart rate between 60 and 100 beats per minute, BPM, is generally considered normal. Athletes often have lower resting heart rates due to higher cardiovascular efficiency. Scientific basis. A normal heart rate indicates efficient heart function and good cardiovascular fitness. Heart rate variability, HRV, is also a marker of heart health, with higher HRV suggesting better autonomic regulation. Numerical data. A study published in the journal Circulation found that individuals with a resting heart rate above 90 bpm had a 50% higher risk of mortality compared to those with rates between 60 to 70 bpm. 2. Regular heart rhythm. Explanation. A regular, steady heart rhythm, known as sinus rhythm, indicates that the heart's electrical system is functioning correctly. Scientific basis. Consistent electrical impulses and heartbeats suggest the absence of arrhythmias, which can lead to various complications if untreated. Numerical data. An irregular heart rhythm, or atrial fibrillation, affects approximately 2.7 to 6.1 million Americans, significantly increasing the risk of stroke and heart failure. 3. Good blood pressure. Normal blood pressure is typically around 120/80 mmHg. Maintaining this level helps prevent strain on the heart and arteries. Scientific basis. Healthy blood pressure levels reduce the risk of heart disease, stroke, and kidney problems. High blood pressure, or hypertension, can damage blood vessels and the heart over time. Numerical data. According to the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, CDC, nearly half of American adults have high blood pressure, which is a major risk factor for heart disease. 4. Healthy cholesterol levels. Total cholesterol should be less than 200 mg per deciliter, with LDL, bad, cholesterol less than 100 mg per deciliter and HDL, good, cholesterol above 60 mg per deciliter. Scientific basis. Healthy cholesterol levels prevent plaque buildup in arteries, reducing the risk of atherosclerosis and heart disease. Numerical data. The American Heart Association reports that high cholesterol affects 38% of American adults, increasing their risk of heart disease. 5. Optimal blood glucose levels. Fasting blood glucose levels should be between 70 and 99 mg per deciliter. Maintaining these levels helps prevent diabetes, a significant risk factor for heart disease. Scientific basis. Proper glucose metabolism ensures that the body's cells receive the energy they need without excessive sugar in the blood, which can damage arteries and nerves over time. Numerical data. The International Diabetes Federation estimates that 463 million adults worldwide were living with diabetes in 2019, highlighting the importance of maintaining normal glucose levels. 6. Efficient exercise tolerance. The ability to perform physical activities without undue fatigue or shortness of breath is a sign of cardiovascular fitness. Scientific basis. Good exercise tolerance reflects efficient oxygen and nutrient delivery by the heart, indicating a well-functioning cardiovascular system. Numerical data. The American Heart Association recommends at least 150 minutes of moderate-intensity exercise per week. Studies show that regular physical activity can reduce the risk of heart disease by up to 30%. 7. Absence of symptoms. No chest pain, shortness of breath, palpitations, dizziness, or swelling suggests a healthy heart. Scientific basis. The absence of these symptoms indicates that the heart is efficiently pumping blood and maintaining good circulation throughout the body. Numerical data. Regular checkups and screenings can help ensure the absence of these symptoms, contributing to long-term heart health. 8. Good sleep quality. Regular, restorative sleep of 7 to 9 hours per night supports heart health. Scientific basis. Quality sleep is essential for cardiovascular health, as it helps regulate stress hormones and maintain blood pressure. Numerical data. A study in the Journal of the American Heart Association found that poor sleep quality is associated with a 44% increased risk of coronary heart disease. 9. Healthy weight. Maintaining a healthy weight reduces the heart's workload and lowers the risk of cardiovascular diseases. Scientific basis. Excess weight can lead to high blood pressure, diabetes, and elevated cholesterol, all of which increase the risk of heart disease. Numerical data. According to the World Health Organization, overweight and obesity are major risk factors for cardiovascular diseases, with 39% of adults globally classified as overweight in 2016. Diet for a healthy heart. 1. Fruits and vegetables. A diet rich in fruits and vegetables provides essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that support heart health. Scientific basis. Nutrients in fruits and vegetables reduce inflammation and oxidative stress, which are linked to heart disease. Numerical data. Consuming at least 5 servings of fruits and vegetables per day can lower the risk of heart disease by 20%, according to a meta-analysis published in BMJ. 2. Whole grains. Whole grains, such as oats, brown rice, and whole wheat, provide fiber and essential nutrients that support cardiovascular health. Scientific basis. Fiber helps lower cholesterol levels and improve digestion, reducing the risk of atherosclerosis. Numerical data. Eating 3 servings of whole grains daily can reduce the risk of heart disease by approximately 22%, according to research published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition. 3. Lean proteins. Lean proteins, including fish, poultry, beans, and legumes, support muscle and tissue repair without excessive saturated fats. Scientific basis. Lean proteins help maintain muscle mass and metabolic function while reducing heart disease risk. Numerical data. The American Heart Association recommends including fish, particularly fatty fish like salmon, at least twice a week. Omega-3 fatty acids found in fish can lower triglycerides by up to 30%. 4. Healthy fats. Unsaturated fats from sources like avocados, nuts, seeds, and olive oil support heart health. Scientific basis. Healthy fats reduce bad cholesterol levels and provide essential fatty acids for cellular function, promoting cardiovascular health. Numerical data. Replacing saturated fats with unsaturated fats can lower heart disease risk by up to 30%, as found in studies published in the Journal of the American College of Cardiology. 5. Low sodium intake. Reducing sodium intake helps manage blood pressure and prevent hypertension. Scientific basis. Excess sodium increases blood pressure, straining the heart and blood vessels, leading to cardiovascular issues. Numerical data. The American Heart Association recommends limiting sodium intake to no more than 2,300 milligrams per day, with an ideal limit of 1,500 milligrams for most adults. Reducing sodium intake can decrease blood pressure by 5 to 6 millimeters of mercury. 6. Limited added sugars. Minimizing added sugars in the diet helps maintain healthy weight and blood glucose levels, reducing the risk of heart disease. Scientific basis. High sugar intake contributes to obesity, insulin resistance, and elevated triglycerides, all of which are risk factors for cardiovascular disease. Numerical data. The American Heart Association advises that added sugars should not exceed 100 calories per day for women and 150 calories per day for men. High sugar consumption is linked to a 30% increased risk of dying from heart disease. 7. Moderate alcohol consumption. Moderate alcohol intake can have cardiovascular benefits, but excessive consumption is harmful. Scientific basis. Moderate alcohol consumption, such as 1 drink per day for women and up to 2 for men, may raise good cholesterol levels and reduce heart disease risk. Numerical data studies show that moderate alcohol consumption is associated with a 25 to 40% reduced risk of coronary heart disease compared to non-drinkers or heavy drinkers. 8. Hydration. Staying well hydrated supports overall health, including cardiovascular function. Scientific basis: proper hydration helps maintain blood volume and pressure, ensuring efficient heart function. Numerical data: the National Academies of Sciences, Engineering, and Medicine recommend a daily water intake of about 3.7 liters for men and 2.7 liters for women, including fluids from all beverages and foods. 9. Mindful eating. Paying attention to hunger and fullness cues and choosing nutrient-dense foods support a healthy diet and heart health. Scientific basis: mindful eating helps prevent overeating and promotes a balanced diet, reducing the risk of obesity and associated heart conditions. Numerical data: a study in the journal Appetite found that mindful eating interventions can lead to significant improvements in eating behaviors and weight loss. Conclusion: maintaining a healthy heart involves recognizing and adhering to key indicators such as normal heart rate, regular rhythm, good blood pressure, and healthy cholesterol and glucose levels. A heart-healthy diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats, combined with regular physical activity, stress management, and avoiding harmful habits, significantly contributes to cardiovascular health. Regular health screenings and lifestyle adjustments are essential for long-term heart health, ultimately reducing the risk of heart disease and improving overall well-being. With cardiovascular diseases being the leading cause of death globally, understanding and addressing the signs of a healthy heart can have a significant impact on public health.